What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get an Uber discount with Cash App in just a few quick, easy steps. The first thing we're going to do is tap into our Cash App application, and then we'll tap the top right corner to our profile. Next, you'll tap on Explore Offers. Then in the search bar, you'll type in Uber. Next, you'll select Uber, and this screen will pop up. It's a 5% off offer at Uber, online only. You pay with your Cash App card through the Uber app, one time only, and the max discount is $5. Once you've decided you want the offer, go ahead and tap on Add Offer at the bottom. When the offer has successfully been added, you'll see a check mark below the logo. Thanks for watching guys, I hope this helped you get your Uber discount with Cash App quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you and I'll see you in the next one.